bridge program function. There's two parts of the program. One is on the AutoCAD side, one is on Tekla side. On AutoCAD side, they will lay out the reference line for the gutter. At Tekla side, the function is reading the reference line and creating profile, make triangle play for the spiral one, and then you can develop those play after you detailed. And there is also another function is by the connection builder, the macro will be able to work for the curved polyline gutter, and also the connection play made on the final position can be cloned to the camber position in the gutter, so there is no manual adjust required. Let's see this is the AutoCAD. So we just draw a line or arc in AutoCAD. Then there's a program. You can change it to polyline. Then from the polyline, we were able to make it slope or round it, make it to the arc on the elevation, and also you can put on camber. So let's say if we want, say star is 200 and is 1000, then send the radius for the elevation. Then we can set camber, say 1, 2. So you can see this is the camber. Then we can export this line to a text file. So it's done. Now we go to Tekla. We browse to the same text file. That is for the polyline. We set the profile. Then we build it. The first one we build is for the we can build the top and bottom flange as well. So we are building a gutter by the triangle plane. So if we look at on the top view, you will see this is the one line. So it's true, we are vertical. Then you can detail them by whatever. You can adding cut, adding well. Then after that you can develop them to a plane that can be detailed as a single part. Now we filled out the top flange plane, so we select all the triangle and we want to develop them. So we have a top flange detailed with cut, with hole, and we have some more cut over here. So we can using the program to develop it. So from here. So you can select the play and say develop. So you can see this develop play. There is one large play, and also we clone the triangle play and with the cut and bow. So just for you to check, you can that option say just don't display those triangle, or you can have the option to display. Besides the regular gather play, which most common is web vertical or horizontal in flange play, you are able to adding rotation. Let's say if the star is 0 and is 90 degree, then you will see it like this is 0 degree, this is 90 degree. And you can do more options, say from 45 degree, 0, then 90. So you can see this is 45 degree, or I can say star is 90. It's twisted. And they have more options, say you can use different ways for the play. So let's say star is 30, then getting 40, then 50, then go back to 30. And there is an option for line up in when the play width is different. You can line with top, bottom, or in the middle. There's one more powerful function. It's quite common. Let's say we have to detail the guide in the camber position, but the diaphragm have to be detailed in the final position. So we have to detail the play, the hole in the final position for the diaphragm. Then we have to copy over the shape play to the camber position. The connection builder is able to build one macro to do the same. So you can see I build one connection. And one more. What the macro did is say they do the connection on the final position, but meanwhile they clone the same play to the camber position of the guide. And this is totally copied. It's cloned. So let's say if I change the quantity of the bow, say I will change to line and the quantity will be 4. And you can see the top one is cloned. You can see from elevation, the macro is maintain the angle between the stiffener plate and the guide. And let's say if I change the rotate the diaphragm a little bit, let's say 10 degree. Then we measure the angle again. You can see after rotation, this angle is maintained. Thank you.